In 3 SmartTrade, you can divide your sell in up to 4 parts using split targets. Let's take a look at that now. Here in the Take Profit section of 3 SmartTrade, go to the Split Targets button and click it. Once you click it, you designate at which price you want to sell what percentage of volume or total size of your order. Note that there are limitations to how much you must sell. When I'm below $10 UST, I get a warning saying it's too low. So I choose a price at which to sell, and it could be anything. I could even type it in. I can choose up to 4, and it will automatically divide up my sell into the appropriate parts. And it looks like I can even do just 3. Now I've placed all of these orders as limit orders. I can also set them as market orders if I so wish to. I can enable trailing take profit for my last target and choose a deviation percentage that will work for me. I can also use trailing take profit with limit orders, meaning the last sell at the highest price will use trailing take profit. Let's take a look at a chart that I did trade and I used split targets on. Here we can see that my buy order was processed on this date. The price went up and it reached my first take profit price. Price fell down and it continued to go up and it took my second take profit price. My total take profit is averaged between the two depending on the percentage that I put at each level. Note that I also had a stop loss enabled just in case the price went too low.